Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. What we all look for is a proper banner. Let it be for YouTube, Facebook, let it be Facebook stories, let it be YouTube logo, let it be a Facebook ad, whatever you make, you need a proper banner for that. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can make a free proper banner online absolutely free of cost without even downloading any software. So let's start with that. So as I told you, I'm going to teach you how to make your banner. So for this, in Google Chrome, go to canva.com. Now you see create a design. Click on that and you see various options below. And what we need is a YouTube banner. That is something what a YouTube channel art. So just go YouTube. So and select the first one, channel art. So the new page will open over here. And now we have to go ahead and select any of the banners according to the channel, a design of that. Let me check which one I want to go ahead and select on this. Okay. So this left one looks good. So I'll just take this one. And now the first thing we'll be doing is typing in your channel name or my channel name. And below we'll be typing about the channel. Like in my case, I'll be typing what I do in channel unboxing, reviews, and tutorials. That's what I do on my channel. And in my channel, like I want the font to be in smaller letters, so I'll just change that to smaller letters. Like I'm going to type kamaltechvlog all in small. That's how you can find my channel also on YouTube. And you can also go ahead and increase the font size over there in the top like this. And in YouTube channel banner, what happens is like when you're uploading it to a banner, it will show like within the proper rectangle you're supposed to put the banner. That's why many people are not able to put proper banners. So we'll just go ahead and push this a little bit above. It can be done a trial and error method after checking in YouTube whether the size is correct or what. Then we can give a gap in between the banner. And next what we'll be doing over here is we can go ahead and put our logo. See, I've already uploaded media, but in case you're not, you can upload that. And we'll just resize this image. And over here for the pro features, you do have to sign up. But for this, all this normal things, whatever I'm doing over here is totally free of cost. For this, you just have to log in with your Google account and you can do it free of cost. We'll just settle this icon in middle so it looks a little bit presentation wise better. And now we'll be going ahead and adjusting the size. Okay. You can also go ahead and put your photo in case you require. Like I uploaded one of my photos, but I don't want it now. But you can go ahead and update your Facebook, Instagram symbol or Twitter symbol over here. Even that I don't need over here in this banner, so I'm going to remove it. And in case you want to know how to go ahead and make your Facebook app and your icon for your YouTube or anything, please go ahead and comment below and I'll make a video on that also. And that can also be done in Canva. And now about the background, we will just go ahead and click on the background over there and change the background of behind. Let's select. There are many free templates over here from which you can select. So which one shall we go for? Ah, there's one in the left which looks good. So we'll select that one. Yeah, we can check the color also, which color looks good or which font looks good. Accordingly, we can go ahead and change it also. Because the text what has been typed has to be seen. That is the main motive. So in case if I go ahead and change the color over here, if you see, you're not able to see the text properly. Even if I change the font here, it's not seen properly. So better off we make it into a proper color whichever suits it. There's also a trial and error according to your own background which you're selecting. And you can also upload a background if you don't like this background. You can upload a background and select from that also as the background. Over here, the white is looking better, so you can just go ahead and download it now. It's almost done over here. And then you can go ahead and download it in PNG format and go to your YouTube channel. And under branding, you can go ahead and upload this. In case the text is a little bit above or down, you can go ahead and adjust it again and again click on download and upload it again. It's as simple as that. Like, you can just go ahead and bring the text down, bring the icon down, and easily do it. And you have various templates also over here. And this is a free way in which you can make it online, any logo, any banner in Canva just by logging in with your Gmail account. You can go ahead and do that. And it'll have all your data stored. In case of any future designing you want to do, you don't have to pay anything for any extra designing also. See, I've just adjusted the text and I've also gone ahead and made another download. I can check that by checking the YouTube settings. But not only for YouTube, in case you want to go ahead and make any other banner or anything, you can use this also. And there is an Android app also of Canva which you can utilize on your mobile. And if you do require a full video on how to use the mobile app, please go ahead and comment below. I will go ahead and do that for you. I'll make a video for you for a tutorial of that. And please subscribe and like the video so that I can go ahead and shout out one of the lucky subscribers of today on my channel. And as you see, the Canva app is available in Google Play Store for free of cost. And as you see the rating also, it's a 5-star rating. So it's one of the best apps any YouTuber or anybody who wants to design anything, any graphic designer can use. It's available online as well as on the app also. And now, what are the other features which you get in the Canva? See here, if you go to the home, you can go ahead. Now we have made a YouTube channel art. You can also go ahead and make a Facebook, just type face, add, app ad, cover, event planner, story. You can make anything. Even in Insta, you have many options like that, like Instagram story, post. You have various option of various social media to go ahead and increase your credibility on that. In case you have any doubts, please leave a comment below so that I can go ahead and answer that for you. So as I told you, this is the simplest way you can go ahead and make a banner without paying a single cent. And as I showed you in the steps above, please do follow them. And it's so easy that you don't have to have any coding knowledge or any technical knowledge to go ahead and make a banner or Facebook ad or Facebook story or YouTube banner or even Instagram story. And I'm going ahead and make giving shout outs to people who go ahead and subscribe. So please like and subscribe for the channel. And until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and this is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.